Starting around 27 July 2023, Bitcoin money in a real sense is exchanging at $244.21 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is very critical. BCH truly has a truly complete market cap of $4,752,443,926, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,943,695, which basically is genuinely huge. This certainly makes Bitcoin money, BCH, kind of positioning at 14 in the digital currency market. Or so they especially thought. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money in every practical sense be truly worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Is Bitcoin money an essentially wise speculation, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will BCH cost outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they really thought. These basically are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost truly is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of $306.57, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the especially current year. Ought to by and large be $296.97 in a significant manner. Besides, BCH can by and large arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $324.70. Bitcoin money value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Bitcoin money could for the most part stretch around $259.18, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in July 2023 in every practical sense is $227.98, with a genuinely normal cost of $251.98, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin money value gauge August 2023. The truly normal cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, could go to $262.06 toward the finish of August 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. BCH could by and large be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $271.78, with the really least expected cost of $250.06, which in every practical sense shows that explicitly is Bitcoin money a genuinely wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner. Bitcoin money value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Bitcoin money could essentially stretch around $284.88 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in September 2023 basically is $260.54, with a typical cost of $272.54, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Bitcoin money cost explicitly is conjecture to explicitly arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $273.85 in a very large manner. The BCH cost could generally arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $295.78, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $283.44 in an unpretentious manner. BCH value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money truly is estimated to explicitly be at around a genuinely least worth of $285.18, exhibiting that these are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which especially is genuinely huge. The Bitcoin money value worth can basically arrive at a by and large limit of $309.96, with the really normal exchanging worth of $294.78 in United States dollars, which generally shows that these sort of are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the in every way that really matters greatest cost for Bitcoin money could in a real sense stretch around $324.70 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 generally is $296.97, with a really normal cost of $306.57. Bitcoin Money kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin Cash's cost in every practical sense has shown an especially decent increment of 1.15% in the absolute most recent 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the BCH really was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 0%, which explicitly is very critical. Bitcoin Money most certainly has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late, and this could be very great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that starting around 27 July 2023 Bitcoin Money in a real sense is exchanging at $244.21 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.36% in most recent 1 hour in a very large manner. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and especially beyond 30 days cost history, it fundamentally is seen that Bitcoin Money especially has expanded 44.872% in its worth in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal by and large lease cost for the month in every practical sense is $130.31, while certainly greatest kind of normal cost generally was $134.63, showing the way that the Bitcoin Money value worth can sort of arrive at a for the most part limit of $309.96, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $294.78 in United States dollars, which sort of shows that these essentially are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH's future in a for the most part huge manner. This suggests that this coin basically is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for pretty long haul, or so they in a real sense thought. The 90 days cost change basically is around 46.03%, and the cost generally flowed from a by and large least sort of typical cost of $125.38 to fundamentally most extreme kind of normal cost of $134.83 in the especially beyond 90 days in a kind of significant manner. In especially most recent 4 months, Bitcoin Money in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how the all things considered normal pretty least cost for the month explicitly is $130.31, while certainly greatest genuinely normal cost by and large was $134.63, showing the way that the Bitcoin Money value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a limit of $309.96, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $294.78 in United States dollars, which sort of shows that these are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH's future.